research presentation, and meaningful academic interactions. As a renowned author, C.S. Lewis beautifully said, "You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream." This conference has been a testament to that spirit, where experienced scholars and young researchers came together to explore new possibilities in pharmaceutical sciences and drug development. Today is merely not the conclusion of this event. It is actually the beginning of new research journey, new professional relationship, and new aspiration. Let us commence the validatory function with a gratitude, pride, and a sense of accomplishment. I request all the dignitaries to please kindly occupy the seat on the dais. I welcome our Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. Praveen Vakti sir, to please kindly raise the dais. I request Professor Umesh Banakar sir. I request Dr. Naule sir to please come on the dais. Dr. V.K. Maurya sir, Dr. Sachin Bhusari sir, Dr. Sanjay Toshniwal sir, Shri Aman Jadhav sir, Dr. Santosh Shetty sir, welcome all. Before we proceed, let us observe a moment of gratitude for all those who have made this conference possible. The visionary leadership of Bharatiya Gramin Punarachana Samstha, Shri Eknath Jadhav sir and Shri Aman Jadhav sir, our respected dignitaries, Professor Umesh Banakar sir, Dr. V.K. Maurya sir, Dr. Sanjay Toshniwal sir, Dr. Santosh Shetty sir, all the organizing committee members, faculty members, volunteers, our esteemed evaluators, and each one of you, dear participants and delegates. Thank you all for making this international conference a sound success. Now, it is a moment of immense honor for the Srinath College of Pharmacy to welcome our chief guest of today's valedictory function, Dr. Praveen Vakti sir. He is a distinguished academician, visionary leader, and an inspiration to all pharmaceutical education fraternity of Maharashtra. His contribution to pharmaceutical sciences and higher education have been both pioneering and enduring. Dr. Praveen Vakti sir is a professor in the Department of Chemical Technology and presently is serving as Pro Vice Chancellor of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, a distinguished academician, researcher, and administrator. Dr. Vakti has made a significant contribution to higher education, research, innovation, and intellectual property development. With an illustrious career spanning over 2 decades, he has guided numerous research scholars and published extensively in his field. On the behalf of organizing committee, it is our great honor to felicitate Dr. Praveen Vakti sir and express our sincere gratitude for his valuable presence and guidance and support today. I request our Joint Secretary Shri Eknath Jadhav, Aman Jadhav sir and Patron Dr. V.K. Maurya sir to kindly come forward and felicitate Dr. Praveen Vakti sir with memento, shawl and book as a token of appreciation and respect. Thank you, sir, for gracing the occasion. Now, it's my honor and privilege to introduce our first evaluator for the poster presentation, Dr. Rajesh Naule, sir. Dr. Naule brings with him an outstanding academic journey spanning over 30 years across the prestigious institution, including the Government College of Pharmacy, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. He holds a PhD in pharmacy from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University with a specialization in experimental pharmacology, molecular modeling and biochemical research. He has guided 33 MPharm and 9 PharmD students and 3 PhD students. and contributed over 61 national and international publications. He served as a principal investigator for multiple AICTE funded projects and member secretary for MPharm admission under DTE Maharashtra. His administrative and academic contributions are truly exemplary. His depth of experience and scholarly wisdom make him an ideal guide for our young researcher. I request our principal, Dr. Santosh Shelke sir, to kindly felicitate Dr. Rajesh Navle sir with a shawl, memento and book as a token of appreciation. Thank you so much, sir, for your kind presence today. Now, it's my privilege to introduce our eminent evaluator for today's session, Dr. Sachin Bhusari, sir. Dr. Bhusari, sir, is a gold medalist and holds a PhD from BITS Pilani along with a postdoctoral certification in clinical research. Over with the 15 years of dedicated academic service at UDCT, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, he is an authority in preclinical drug development, pharmacokinetics and bioanalytical method development using HPLC, LC-MS-MS and GC-MS-MS. To his remarkable credit, there are 85 national and international research publications, 3 granted Indian patents and research grants totaling approximately 5.74 crores from the prestigious bodies including DST, CSIR, DBT and UGC. He has also delivered valuable industry consultancy for leading companies such as Alkem and Wildback. We are greatly honored to have such accomplished researchers to evaluate the scientific work of our young scholars today. I request Dr. Sanjay Toshniwal sir to kindly felicitate Dr. Sachin Bhusari sir with a shawl, book, memento and certificate as a token of gratitude and respect. Thank you so much, sir. As we pause to reflect on this conference, we recognize that knowledge grows when it's shared. Over these 2 days, we explored dissolution testing, bioavailability study, IV-IVC application, intellectual property rights, current trends in drug development, innovative research thoughts and poster presentation. This conference has served as a vibrant platform for learning, networking and scientific collaboration. And Albert Einstein once said, the important thing is not to stop questioning, curiosity has its own reason for existing. So the enthusiasm displayed by every participant has reflected that spirit of curiosity and innovation. So to summarize this essence of the successful conference and share concluding reflection, I now invite our respected organizing secretary, Dr. Manoj Ramay sir, Professor Srinath College of Pharmacy, to kindly deliver the concluding remark of the session.
Thank you, madam. Respected dignitaries on the dais, Chief Guest Dr. Praveen Vakte sir, esteemed keynote speaker Dr. Banekar sir, respected V.K. Moria sir, Dr. Sanjay Toshniwal sir, Joint Secretary Sri Amanji Jadhav sir, Navle sir, Bhusari sir, delegates, friends, faculty member, student and dear participant. As we conclude this two-day international conference, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to everyone who has actively participated in this two-day international conference. Day 1, we have gained a valuable insight into dissolution testing, bioavailability and unique application of IV-IVC in generic drug development. The expert session of Dr. Banekar sir have given us the insight of drug development, quality assurance and regulatory aspect. On day 2, we have explored the recent trends in intellectual property rights, pharmaceutical sciences and learned the importance of patent in innovation and protection. The poster presentation competition on recent development in pharmaceutical sciences showcased the excellent research work of young scientists and students. I congratulate all the participants and the students who have actively participated in poster competition. This conference has provided the excellent platform for learning, sharing knowledge, and providing professional platform. On behalf of organizing committee, I heartily congratulate all the participants and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring summary and thoughtful reflection. A conference becomes truly meaningful when it leaves a lasting impact on its participants. So we would now like to invite a few delegates and participants to share their experience and feedback regarding the conference. Your thoughts, observations and suggestions are invaluable to us. So may I request interested participants to please kindly come forward and share your thoughts with us. I request Dr. Vandana Patil Madam please to share her view.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, dear friends, very good afternoon. Special thanks to Dr. Umesh Banekar sir. Really I appreciate and heartfelt thanks to you sir. Sir, you explain this dissolution concept and IVIVC in a very simple and admirable thoughts. The thought he expresses noise witness equation studies in the things. Noise witness, taken a drum and then there is a calcium phosphate pest is there, and how the release pattern takes, how calcium phosphate releases from that coating that expresses the dissolution concept in a very simple language. As an academician sir, I express these thoughts to my students also. And the second thing is that solubilization and what is the dissolution concept, as the solubilization is the prerequisite as that of the dissolution. And another thing is that in the dissolution is a static process, and whenever it enters the formulation API, as it enters in the body in VO, it becomes a dynamic way. And dynamic and static, as a pharmaceutics person, I know how it works. As the models come to that of your bioavailability sir and bioequivalence, that is very admirable sir. In that sir explained, yesterday's in the afternoon session, he explained A to B, B to C and A to D. You know, I think the students from the first, second year, they are boring, they are not getting the points, what are they actually. But as an academician sir, it really worthful for me. How the simulations conditions you have been taken for the A to D conversation and how you correlate the IVIVC. It's a mathematical model where you converts the in vitro and in vivo correlation without the data, clinical data. And I got the things in my mind. I again think that of the projects where I can do the projects. Here sir, the simulations one. Sir, you explain the dissolution models. Really, I am very thankful. 250 models. I never know this 250 model. I know only the 7 competitive models. And out of that, 17 factors, dissolution factors, where we know 6 to 7 only. And 56 to 57,000 possibilities of the dissolution models. That is a great, sir, where I inspired from you, sir. In my today's session sir, IPR sessions, I again admire here sir. What the subsequential जो sir ने बोला आज point आपका कि IPR, that is not of my interest, but where I get interest from you sir. So you find that it never stops. It whatever you the sentence, it starts with you and it ends with you. And we never forget it starts from your Valentine Day. So you give this examples are very, means whenever you give a talk on this one, so we never forget this, sir. So special thanks to you, sir. I never forget you, sir, for this conference. Actually, I'm very thankful to Dr. V.K. Moria, sir, who is the inspiration for me. Not from this, from 2005, from his yesterday's story, when he came that Manakar sir came to our college and delivered a lecture. Sir, I was the proof of that. At IVIVC lectures at 2007 at Government College he delivered, and at that time I was very bored because Manakar sir talk in English only, and that is that of American English style. And what is the change today, I find, along with that accent, sir utilizes Marathi, and that's why we take it in our local language, sir. So that is a very good thing for me, sir. At that time I am not getting the points, but today and yesterday I will get everything, the points, whatever you talk on that. A special thanks to the organizing committee, Dr. H.D. Shalke sir, Principal of Srinath College of Pharmacy. I thanks to you, sir, and your team also. I admire your team, that is very time bound team. Every program, every event, that is within the time and that is not extended, and that is the most likely point of my side, sir. Special thanks to Anita Wag ma'am. Whatever the registration date is over, and she admitted me after the registration date. A special thanks to the organizing team. Thank you very much. Again, I thanks such a nice event which is organized by Srinath team at this level in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. It's very nice, very nice, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, dear madam. Any more participants, those who want to share their feedbacks, please, you are welcome. Vinayak Maismare sir.
Hello. So good afternoon everyone. Good evening to everyone. First of all, thanks to management, Ms. Shri Aman Jadhav sir, and the principal, youngest principal, Dr. Shalke sir, to arrange such a type of international conference. Because हमने सुना था कि पहले अहमदाबाद, गुजरात, then पुणे, मुंबई, इसी जगह पे इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस होती है. सो यहाँ होती है छत्रपति सम्मेलन में, तो ये बहुत बड़ी बात है अपने के लिए. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू दिस थिंग्स टू ऑफ अस कि रिसर्च को यहाँ पे प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है प्रेजेंट करने के लिए रिसर्च. सो दैट्स अ वेरी रियली गुड थिंग्स to be arranged here. So thanks to once again management and Dr. Shalke sir. And next thing is important that कि जो स्पीकर थे कल के और आज के डॉक्टर उमेश बनाकर सर. So very really interesting. मेरे हार्ट को जो टच हुआ है ना, वो कैसे कि इतना वो समझा सकता है की इंटरेस्टिंग पहा तो उनमें ते सहज सांगून गेले ते सहज बोलले प्रत्येक गोष्ट आणि त्यांच्या रिअल लाईफ एक्सपिरियन्स होती जे त्यांनी आयपीआर हँडल केले किंवा त्यांनी इश्यू सॉल्व केले ते आपल्यापर्यंत रिअल लाईफ टेक्निकली काही गोष्टी त्या सगळ्या शिकल्या. And that is very really important in aspect. नहीं तो हम कहते कि कितने भी सेमिनार हमने अटेंड किए, मिस अटेंड, बट वहाँ पे क्या बोर होता है लेक्चर पीपीटी के बाद पीपीटी. बट यहाँ पे इजी टू वे अंडरस्टैंड हुआ कि व्हाट इज आईपीआर, डिसोल्यूशन पैरामीटर क्या होता है. सो थँक्स टू अपन वन्स अगेन टू डॉक्टर उमेश बनाकर सर आणि मॅनेजमेंट आणि इथली टीम, एंटायर टीम. I have observed that की entire team time bounded, right from registration to the food committee and the technical committee, also the stage committee, arrangement committee. So it's a very great arrangement is there. So thank you once and all.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable insights. We are now privileged to hear a few words from our esteemed evaluators, whose expertise and guidance have added the immense value to today's poster presentation session. I respectfully invite Dr. Sachin Bhusari, sir. Okay. Anybody who want to share their feedback, please. You are welcome.
Very good afternoon to the respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, to all the respected teachers present here and my dear fellow students. So I am really glad to have participated in this international conference actually. Being an undergraduate student who's just stepping into this whole new world, I'll be honest, it was a bit difficult for me to grasp all the dissolution knowledge that I was, being given off. But I can personally say that the way sir has explained, with like certain examples and with like the mixture of languages and everything, I could even I'll speak like that. Me thoda thoda te catch karu shakat hote, and I was able to grasp something, like write some notes and do something of that. But personally, today's session was more helpful for me because IP is something I find interesting, and I find like I think I should be able to contribute to that in the future. So I found that more helpful, and not to mention that yesterday's like this whole demonstration session by respected person, resource person from SOTAX was also very nice, and it was also helpful to see what all new inventions and innovations are going on in this whole pharmaceutical industry. Last but not the least, I would also like to thank the management team from Srinath College of Pharmacy for organizing such a beautiful conference. The dignitaries who made this possible and other non-teaching staff members and student volunteers who were there outside at the registration desk and were helping students from different colleges like me to actually find out our way and helping with the lunch, and also the staff from the canteen too. So thank you.
Thank you so much for your feedback. Now, anybody wants to give feedback? Any students? Thank you. Now we are privileged to hear a few words from our esteemed evaluators whose expertise and guidance have added immense value to today's poster presentation session. I respectfully invite Dr. Sachin Bhusari sir to kindly share his views with us.
Good evening. I am not a person of stage, but still I will dare in front of my teacher, Dr. Praveen sir, to say few words. So with your permission, so it's really nice to always visit Srinath College. Jadhav sir, it's really good for me. It's always an opportunity for me. Every time I used to take something from this place, and that's why I am very eager always to come to this college. Shelke sir, thank you so much for calling me again and again. And your organizing team is too good, too good. As far as today's poster presentation is concerned, sir, the beautiful part is there was entire campus canvas of the research there. I saw some synthetic posters, synthetic based work, some pharmacology, even herbal drug technology, and one more important part, I saw one very new topic, that is NDMA analysis. So nitrosamine impurity profiling by using LCMSMS, that too from the PG student, which was very amazing for me, very amazing. This is a great platform where students can come in front and talk about their research work. In true sense, it was a real international conference because we have Banakar sir is there, and our stalwarts Maurya sir is there, my teacher Toshtiwal sir, Vakte sir is there, Navle sir is there. It's really good to have all you people here and to be with you. So thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Busari sir, for your insightful thoughts and encouraging words. We now arrive at one of the most anticipated moments of this valedictory function. It is my privilege and honor to invite our esteemed chief guest of the valedictory function, Dr. Praveen Vakte sir, Pro Vice Chancellor. Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, to kindly address the gathering.
नमस्कार. दैतेचे राजे छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज, धर्मवीर संभाजी महाराज, प्रज्ञासूर्य डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर यांच्या पावन स्मृतींना नमन करून आज ज्या भारतीय पुनर्रचना शिक्षण संस्थेचे श्रीनाथ कॉलेज ऑफ फार्मसी इथे आजचा हा जो इंटरनॅशनल कॉन्फरन्स ऑन डिझोल्युशन टेस्टिंग अँड बायोअवेलेबिलिटी इन ड्रग डेव्हलपमेंट इंटरनॅशनल कॉन्फरन्स आयोजित करण्यात आली होती. या कार्यक्रमासाठी उपस्थित असलेले भारतीय पुनर्रचना शिक्षण संस्थेचे सहसचिव आदरणीय श्री अमनदादा जाधव सर, या कार्यक्रमाचे स्टार एलिमेंट्स असलेले आदरणीय डॉक्टर उमेश बनकर सर, आमचे सगळ्यांचे ज्येष्ठ मार्गदर्शक आदरणीय श्री मौर्य सर, माझे इतर सहकारी आदरणीय श्री तोष्णीवाल सर, नवले सर, या संपूर्ण व्यापाची धुरा ज्यांच्या खांद्यावर आहे असे आमचे मित्र डॉक्टर संतोष शेळके सर, त्याचबरोबर माझे विद्यापीठातील सहकारी आणि आजच्या दिवशी तरी ज्यांच्याकडे विभाग प्रमुखाचा चार्ज आहे असे श्री सचिन बुसारी सर आणि उपस्थित सर्व विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो आणि या विद्यापीठातले या क्षेत्रातल्या तर महाविद्यालय आणि या महाविद्यालयातल्या सगळ्या शिक्षक मित्रांनो, मला भाषण करण्याच्या आधी मला वाटलं होतं काल या महाविद्यालयातून एक आमचे प्राध्यापिका डॉक्टर पल्लवी यांना काल नांदेड विद्यापीठाच्या वतीने PhD अवॉर्ड झाली, तर त्याचं सेलिब्रेशन मला वाटतं मी याच्या आधीच झालेलं असावं, पण श्रीनाथ कॉलेजसाठी तो एक मानाचा तुरा आहे. हे एका प्राध्यापिकेचं काल PhD झालं. सर्वप्रथम मी त्यांना शुभेच्छा देतो. एका चांगल्या संस्थेमध्ये जिथे आपण काम करता, जिथे अशा पद्धतीच्या इंटरनॅशनल कॉन्फरन्सेस ऑर्गनाईज होतात, तिथे अजून चांगलं कार्य आपल्या हातून घडो अशीच इच्छा मी व्यक्त करतो. फ्रेंड्स, द कॉन्फरन्स विच वॉज ऑर्गनाइज्ड इन दिस institute since last 2 days, I can very well understand the efforts taken by the institute, but apart from that, very well I think I was also the part of the organizing committee, but unfortunately considering my other assignments, I could not involve myself in this event. The moment when Dr. Shelke shared me the program leaflet and the brochure, at that time only I had decided that I wanted to be the part of this entire event, but it was not possible for me to devote that much time. But when I saw the name of Dr. Banakar, I was really happy to have him over in Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, because the person of such a great eminence, even his presence in the city marks the landmark of Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, that very well the entire city is doing good something in pharmaceutical research and education. His presence in the city itself is a great proud for all pharmaceutical learners, educationists and researchers in the city. So I'm very much thankful to Dr. Toshniwal and Professor Moria sir that they made an effort and they brought him over here for this such a nice international conference and a gathering. And let me tell you that you are really privileged to have Dr. Umesh Banakar sir over here, because when I was a student, I remember the book series which was of a maroon color, and I don't think that there might be any library in any college in the country which might not be having that series. That is a Marshall Tucker series. And when I was a student, I was fortunate to have all the numbers. There are big numbers written 1, 2, 3, 4. I used to search, and at that time when I saw his name on one book, it was as a student it was beyond my capability to understand that such books can be written by the Indian authors. But when I read it is Dr. Umesh, so I thought that he must be an Indian person, and others are not from India. But when I saw his address, it was from this Westfield, Indiana. So I thought again he might have gone there, he might have studied there, and that's the reason he could have achieved that all eminence which he has with him. But I never thought of meeting him, because later on I became busy with my own assignments. But I'm really happy that a time comes in a life where the circles get complete, and I'm really happy to be amongst all of you for this August gathering. And I'm also thankful to Srinath College of Pharmacy. I hope that you would be organizing such good programs over ahead, and we as an entire city are always together and always help each other for organizing such kind of programs. So thank you Dr. Shelke sir and the organizing team for giving me an opportunity to be amongst all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your inspiring and thought-provoking address. Your valuable insights, words of encouragement, and vision for academic excellence have truly motivated all of us. We are grateful for your presence and guidance on this special occasion, sir. Thank you once again. The moment we all are been eagerly waiting has finally arrived. The poster evaluation committee has carefully assessed all the presentation, and we are now ready to announce the winners of the poster presentation competition. Before announcing the results, I would like to congratulate all the participants. Your enthusiasm and scientific temperament and innovative research ideas have made this session truly remarkable. As rightly said, success is not measured by winning alone, but the courage to participate and excel. I now request our esteemed chief guest, respected evaluators, respected dignitaries, to kindly felicitate our winners for the poster presentation competitions. So first, second runner-up from the poster presentation goes to Ms. Kritika Sonar from R.C. Patel College of Pharmacy, Shirpur. I request the dignitaries to kindly present her a certificate and trophy as an appreciation award. Certificate, trophy and book. Please put a big round of applause. Congratulations, Kritika. Now, the first runner-up in the poster presentation goes to Ms. Swati Pagar and Gayatri Dusane from Nandakumar Shinde College of Pharmacy, Vaizapur. Congratulations, Ms. Swati Pagar and Gayatri Dusane, madam. Now, The first prize for this 2 days international conference poster presentation goes to Miss Siddhi Vayekar from Srinath College of Pharmacy. Miss Siddhi has completed her project in IIT Bombay and presenting here in this conference. Please put up a big round of applause. I request Vakte sir to kindly felicitate Miss Siddhi Vayekar with a trophy, certificate and book. Artist, congratulations Siddhi. Now the consolation prize goes to Mr. Rushikesh Sherkar from Srinath College of Pharmacy. He is awarded with a certificate and book as a token of appreciation. Congratulations, Rishikesh. It is again a matter of great pride and joy for all of us that our esteemed faculty member has been awarded with prestigious PhD degree, Dr. Pallavi Bhosle Madam. So I request dignitaries to kindly felicitate her with a bouquet and shawl. Artist, congratulations, madam. Madam has awarded with a PhD degree yesterday only from the Cambridge University. Thank you so much, all the dignitaries.
Thank you so much for honoring me. I was not expecting this, and especially it is special because I have worked under Vakte sir also, I have worked under Moria sir also, and now I am working under Sheikh sir also. So it is like a big moment for me to get honored from such faculties or such great personalities. Thank you, Naule sir. I adore the Sachin Bhusari sir. Thank you everyone, and special thank you to Aman Jadhav sir also. Toshniwal sir, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, as we come to the conclusion of this memorable international conference, it is now time to formally express our gratitude to all those who contributed to the success of this event. I respectfully invite Dr. Prabhakar Panjade sir, Professor, Srinath College of Pharmacy, to kindly deliver the vote of thanks.
Good evening to one and all present over here. As we conclude this insightful and enriching 2 days international conference, it is my privilege to propose the vote of thanks. First of all, I express my sincere gratitude to our eminent keynote speaker, Dr. Umesh Banakar sir, for sharing his expertise, knowledge and experiences. Sir has beautifully proved that age is just a number. While the calendar may say one thing, but his energy, enthusiasm and passion for science are definitely younger than many of us in this hall. I express my sincere thanks to our chief guest for the valedictory function, Professor Dr. Praveen Vakte sir, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, for his inspiring presence, valuable guidance and encouraging words that added great significance to this occasion. I sincerely thank to our chief guest, Dr. V.K. Moya sir, guest of honor, Dr. Sanjay Toshniwal sir, and all eminent dignitaries who grace this occasion with their presence. Your valuable insights, encouragement, and support have greatly contributed to the success of this conference. Besides, we extend our sincere gratitude to Dr. Rajesh Noble sir and Dr. Sachin Bhusari sir for their valuable contribution as an evaluator and insightful assessment greatly enriched the scientific sessions of this conference. Our sincere thanks to Secretary Shri Eknathji Jadhav sir and Joint Secretary Shri Aman Jadhav sir for their constant encouragement and support. I extend special gratitude to our Principal Dr. Santosh Shaike sir, member of the advisory committees, and to all the organizing committee members for their meticulous planning, coordination, and tireless effort for the smooth conduct of this particular conference. I am also thankful to Administrative Officer B.P. Jadhav sir for his support during the conference. I also acknowledge the valuable support extended by our collaborating organization, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Indian Pharmaceutical Association Aurangabad branch, and Sodax Limited for their valuable support in the successful organization of this event. A special word of appreciation goes to our faculty members, non-teaching staff, and student volunteers. Their dedication, teamwork, and commitment were instrumental in the successful organization of this conference. Finally, I express my heartfelt thanks to all the delegates, participants for your enthusiastic presence, active interaction, and cooperation throughout the conference. Your engagement has truly made this event meaningful and successful. With this immense gratitude, I thank everyone who has directly and indirectly contributed to the success of this international conference. We hope to meet again in the future scientific gathering. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. As we conclude this 2 days international conference, I request everyone present in the hall to kindly stand up for the national anthem. Let us together stand with the pride and respect as we pay tribute to our nation.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
For just 2 minutes, few instructions are there. Before we disperse, we invite all the dignitaries, guests, faculty members, delegates and participants and organizing committee members to join us for the group photograph at the reception area to capture the memorable moment for this event. And after that, the certificate of participations are now ready for the distributions. You will get the certificates at registration desk. And the list of that is pasted on the notice board on which desk which certificates are going to get distributed. So please check that list on the notice board and take your certificates from the respective